How to add liquidity to FuseSwap and farm Fuse tokens. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step instruction of earning Fuse tokens by liquidity mining, so let's start. First of all, you need to go to FuseSwap.com and then make sure that your MetaMask wallet is connected. If it's not, then over here you will see a button that says Connect Wallet. Another thing you need to do is to click on your MetaMask icon and make sure that you are currently on Fuse network. If you are on Ethereum or any other network, make sure to change it to Fuse network. If you don't have Fuse network on the list, check out my other video where I explained how to add Fuse network to MetaMask. Once we do this, from those tabs over here we choose Pool and then hit Add Liquidity. And after we hit Add Liquidity over here, we need to choose for which pair we want to provide liquidity. So I'm going to provide liquidity for pair Fuse with USDC. So I just choose USDC over here. And then for this test, as you can see, my balance is around $5. So let's say I'm just going to add $3 of liquidity for this test. Once we choose 3, this should update automatically. And then we need to hit on supply. Once you do this, we need to confirm supply. And once a MetaMask window opens, we need to confirm again. As you can see, the gas fee is really low, so you don't have to worry about gas, unlike on Uniswap. So once we click confirm, our transaction should be validated within a few seconds. And as you can see, I already added 17.6 Fuse and 3 USDC. To liquidity pool. So from now on, since we added liquidity, we will be earning a share of 0.3% of all fees on the FuseSwap. If you have, for example, 10% of the total liquidity pool, you would be earning 10% of those 0.3% fees, and so on and so on. So the more liquidity you add, the bigger percentage you would be getting. And now let's move to the second step, how to farm Fuse tokens, in addition to providing liquidity and earning from liquidity provider fee. In order to do that, we have to click on farming up here. Once we do this, a website rewards.fuse.io should open. And then over here, make sure that you connect your wallet as well. And make sure that right now you are also on Fuse network. So if you're on Fuse network and your wallet is connected, we can scroll down. And over here, we've got rewards on Ethereum mainnet. So you can also provide liquidity on Uniswap. Or you can provide liquidity on Fuse network. So in this example, we're going to choose Fuse network. And as you can see, there is liquidity mining rewards for KNC with USDC and for USDC with Fuse. So as you saw, I provided liquidity for Fuse and USDC pair. So I click select over here. And then over here, you should see the balance of your FuseSwap USDC Fuse liquidity. So make sure we are on deposit. And then over here we can choose if we want to farm using 100% of our liquidity or only 75%. So I would suggest clicking 100% here. And then we will see that our estimated rewards is, for example, 9 Fuse. So as you saw, I was taking only 17 Fuse and my rewards would be 9 Fuse. So I think it's profitable to provide liquidity and start farming Fuse that way. So we hit approve. Once we hit approve, we need to confirm. And once we approved our transaction, this could take a few seconds to up to 1 minute. We can click deposit. And once we click deposit, MetaMask window will open again and we need to confirm that we want to deposit our FuseSwap liquidity pool. So confirming deposit transaction will also take from few seconds to a minute, maybe a little bit longer. And once the transaction is confirmed, over here we will see our deposit and over here we will see how many rewards we already got. If we want to withdraw our deposit, we just hit withdraw and then follow the same instructions. We can also claim our rewards over here once we have some rewards. So this is how you can add liquidity to FuseSwap and farm Fuse tokens. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.